All right, so we're starting week 2 already. Module 2 is up and running. I enjoyed reading about what you're interested in. Last week in Module 1, I thought it went well in terms of the discussion. I have already created your groups for your research proposals. What I'm going to do is I will create group pages on Vista, which will include discussion boards and maybe even a chat room if that's available. I'm not sure. And that way you can communicate with each other, send files to each other that way if you choose. Of course, you can communicate with each other however you like. But get together with your group in terms of getting together online or outside of class if you choose, and start talking about your topic. We will work together to narrow down your focus. And of course, getting into the literature and starting to do that lit review is going to help with that. So hopefully this week and next week actually you'll be able to really start getting into the literature to start narrowing down your topic to make it concrete and to make it a viable study. The groups are, one group is going to be Emily, Nora, and Sky. You all expressed an interest in PTSD, so that seemed like a pretty logical group. Group 2 is Andrea, Roxanne, and Tori. All of the things that you're interested in kind of fall around self-esteem and self-image issues. So I thought that would be an okay group in terms of that kind of focus that you're interested in. And then group 3 is Meredith, Laura, and Sam. You all had expressed similar population that you want to work with, and that's adolescents or college students. And so those are the 3 groups. As I said, get started brainstorming about what you want your topic to be, what you want your population of study to be, and go ahead and get into the literature. This week is your first article critique. I know that there's not a lot of instruction on how to do that. I've got 2 questions posted on the discussion board. Use Chapter 4, particularly around the sampling procedures and the instrument selection. That will help you look to see if the methodology of the study is sound or not. Basically, I just want to see what your ideas are about what's good and what's not so good about this particular study. So I look forward to that this week. I will chime in on occasion to put in my 2 cents, which is about all it's worth, and then we'll go from there. Have a great week.